Yeah, this was like 155 USD. Oh, I think you're paying for the box. Brand new OEM. Cool. There we go. That's how a BMW cluster should look like. All the lights on. That's exactly what you want. But today we're gonna get to work on the interior. See, I did the steering wheel already. And yeah, lots of broken stuff in here. The seat isn't bad, but the driver's seat is pretty torn, as you can see. These mirrors we're gonna replace. Fix this door card. And then the whole center console too. Replace this. Got the e-brake boot here. Any one of those. Gonna replace this as well. I just put a quick bought these on Amazon, but I got something nicer. For the cubby, I think I'm just gonna fix this and just have the door off since it's always open anyways. And that's weird. Got this little decal here I want off. But yeah, we're gonna pull the seats out, the door cards, the center console, and then I'll show you all the parts I had to replace it, and we'll make a plan from there. Ooh. Also, it looks like someone tried to pull this off at some point. I wonder if I could just replace this emblem. Okay. Well, let's get to work. Ah, okay, there's the problem. There was spaghetti's going on. That's that me. All this wiring. Can't wait to get rid of that junk. That's what we're gonna do. What is, oh, like, maybe tapped into the side marker to get that. Yes. Okay, this is the factory door wiring. Look at that. We gotta keep some. Now I gotta figure out where they tapped in to get the turn signal light on that mirror. This side has it, so that's good. Just gotta, again, figure out what happened with the wiring. Good. Try to figure out this door handle now. So you got two bolts on the back here, and then when you slide the, just make sure your battery is connected, and then there'll be two up front here, you'll see. Come on, power seats. And I've never had these out, so I did soak them in penetrating fluid. It's coming, it's coming. All right there. What size are these? 16s? Yeah, 16 mil. Oops, over here. And the rears have a bolt. I bet you there's a connector. Oh, see, there's a connector underneath. Ooh, lighter. Yeah, I'm gonna disconnect the battery now. Take this connector off. That's just the one. Oh yeah, so we gotta be careful not to scratch anything. Holy. Maybe take the headrest off. Careful for your door sill. That was heavy. Here's the seat. Here's that one connector. On the seat, actually, there was a pull tab, and then this comes out nicely. And this is disgusting. That's bloody disgusting. Oh, I'm so strong. Ooh. Cool. Let's go see how much room we got in there now. Hell yeah. Sweet. Okay, center console time. Let's chalk the wheels first because I can mess with the shifter and handbrake. Okay. Let's see. Oop. This comes out. I think there's 2 screws in here. Start with those. I'll just keep them all in this container. Man, this would be a good time to do the headliner too, but I think that'll be a next year project. I've already done one headliner this year, as you guys know, and it's enough for me. Okay, so these 2 are here. These 2 little push clip, they're like plastic, they come out. Oop. Yeah, there's a lot to the center console. Oh, 2 more screws here. These are axle screws this time, 2 Phillips. Got you guys over here. There, good view of the center console. Boot. Piece, this just pops off. Okay, what am I missing here? Oh, looks like this is separate. How does that go off? A few Phillips up here. This piece is broken. We'll have to fix that up. I always loved to meet the previous owner of some of the cars that I buy. Just wondering how they like just mess everything up so bad. Okay. Oh, yeah, that piece comes off the back too. Looks like one connector up here. All right, there you have it. Ta-da! Oh yeah, I do have all these shifter bushings. Probably a good time to do them all. Sweet. That's off. Stick connectors here. You have it. It's got all the pieces in the back here. Holy crap.
God, they're so loud.
It's like in Australia, that Woody on the Skid Factory.
Yeah.
He always has issues with the kookaburras. Oh, beautiful. You're gonna get the armrest off now. Got a pair of vice grips. Clamp that spring. Twist it out if you can. Oh, or do that. Okay. So this side I'd taken the spring off. It looks like you can just pull this out now, maybe. Let me try this again. There we go. That's off. And this one, not sure I'll get it off yet. So I got this little leather cover for the armrest. Doesn't fit great, so I'm just gonna try my best to just glue it on, and that will at least clean up the interior for a bit now, and then eventually I'll just try and find an OEM piece, because I don't expect these are too expensive. Same thing with the driver's door, because all the water pooled in because it's missing the vapor barrier. So that all unglued, so we're gonna glue that back down. Just around the speaker here too. It's gonna come out. That's it. Okay, just did one round of carpet cleaning. Still needs quite a bit of work. I don't know if you can see on camera, but this is quite brown. Coming up from here, the water was like black. Yeah, so dirty. Really musky smelling. And this was moldy. Gross.